big one. Oh, that's a giant. There we go. Good old Harry Potter. What's up, YouTube? Ooh, that's a strong espresso shot. What is up? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope you guys are doing awesome. First off, I want to thank you guys for coming back. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, leave me a comment, turn on notifications, and let's follow this journey because it's gonna be epic this year. I'm excited for what I have in the works. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. That includes the championship Bass Nation Minnesota / you guys ain't ready for that. Anyways, we are back with another video. Today is a revenge day. I haven't been to this lake since probably the end of May, and by that time we had gotten some more cold fronts. These fish were just not being productive. So today is a revenge video because I got skunked the last 2 times I've came to this lake, and I've never been skunked at this lake. So you already know we got to get aggressive. Normally I only bring like a couple rods. I brought all but 1 rod for this lake because I'm not getting skunked today, and I'm gonna produce some fish for you guys. Today is revenge. No skunk. We're gonna get the first one in the boat fast and just have fun. I'm not in a monthly tournament. However, I am doing the Catch 2022 for kayak bass fishing. If I get anything of quality, I will be submitting it. You guys will see that. Not if, when. Let's get it, and I'll see you guys on the water. All right, guys, we're gonna try and get to our, oh man, first location. And actually come to this lake. I actually have like my own line that I run, and anyone that actually fishes here with me know, like, hey, this is Albert's line, I can't really run it. They know they'll get the hammer. All right, guys, we finally hooked up to a good one. A good one. Oh, let's go. Come on. Oh, there we go. It took a minute. Oh, guys, it took a minute. Hey, but this is what we came for. Oh. Oh. Whew. That's what we came for. Jesus almighty. It took a minute, baby. Wow. Guys, this fish is spawning. Wow. I thought, holy crap, it's July 14th right now, you guys. 15th, 16th, one of those. This fish is spawning. That explains a lot right now. That explains a lot. We're gonna get this fish submitted, so we'll see you guys in a second. Guys, we are hooked up to another one. I think we figured it out. Oh, it might be a good one too. No, it's a small one, just in the weeds. Oh, look at that. If y'all remember from my vlogs back in the days, it was a swamp monster. Come on. Look at that fat guy. Look at that baby. There we go. All right, we're on to something. We're on to something. I just can't believe that fish was spawning. Dang, it's crazy. Kayak getting dirty today. That was 2 fish in the same spot. All right, that helps my confidence a little bit. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't ready to just call it a day. Because man, anyone that fishes will understand, like, if you ain't catching anything and you can't figure out what in the world is going on, it sucks to be out. So here in a second, when I get to the location, I'm gonna show you guys, maybe you can see it from here. Look out there. Y'all see that dock right there? The water's supposed to be touching the bottom, almost touching the bottom. That is how low it is and how bad it's been dropping over the, you know, past 3 years since I've been coming here. And I've yet to catch my punch fish this year, so I think I'm due time. I'm actually gonna go golf after this with good old Bob from work. Bob. And I think he's a follower. I think he follows my YouTube channel. If not, Bob, you need to follow my YouTube channel, man. Quit being a bum. Follow my channel. Oh, there's a bite. Thing about throwing a wacky worm or anything finesse is that you always have the high probability of little bitty fish attacking it. Like that. Got one. Oh, it came off. Oh. There we go. There you guys. We got one on the wacky. There we go. May not be catching quality, but hey, we're catching. Got one. Oh, that might be a good one. Yes, sir. I didn't even know I had them. Saw my frog disappear, guys. Look at that. Oh, beautiful fish. I love it. I love it. I told you guys earlier, hey, she's gonna pick up. Why? Because we getting revenge. This the revenge of Blackhawk, baby. And I saw another one over there too. There we go. That is what we want. Ah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Choked it. Look at that. Oh. Yeesh. So guys, that's why you never give up. Like, I wanted to go home. It's tough. The confidence meter was just super low, and now all of a sudden the thing is like I feel like every cast, or getting to where almost every cast is gonna be some kind of action, and makes me want to stay out here and keep fishing. And We're almost back to the area where we launched from this morning, and then I'm probably gonna circle back out toward the middle, maybe see what's going on. But it is safe to say that they are spawning right now. Oh, damn. Oh, that's a big one, guys. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a giant. There we go. Guys, look at this giant. Guys. Oh, look at that hook set. Look at that. Guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. That is what we came here for. That is gonna help our cause. Guys, oh, that is a big one. Oh, that sucks, you guys. That is what we're talking about. That is what we came here for. That is exactly what we came here for, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Sadly, I wasn't able to submit the picture, you guys. At this point, you know, it ain't even about that. It's more so like, hey, you know, I came out here for redemption, some revenge on Blackhawk. And guess what, guys? We got it. And I'll tell you one thing, that was my first ever standing up bass, like standing up fishing that was of quality like that. Super amazing catch. 18 was probably close to 3.5 pounds. I love it. I love it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy that. All right, you guys, little update. Pretty good day. Started off very slow, as you guys can tell, but then we came on to something, and last but not least, we landed that 18 incher, and I say a very good day. I'm probably gonna continue working this little bit, hit that bridge, and then probably call it a day. What's up, you guys? Man, that's the worst part about coming to the lake. You gotta walk so far. I ain't trying to say I'm in shape or out of shape. I'm in some kind of shape. Yeesh, she's shallow. What's up, everybody? What a day. A little recap. You know, we started off very slow. We went through a nice little stretch where we're just trying different things, hitting the frog, hitting areas that are normally really good, that I've had just amazing luck in the past, and And then, you know, the whole time I'm like, man, what is going on? You know, why ain't they so active right now? But we found out that they were spawning. So they're not necessarily just gonna attack topwater. They might not even attack anything at all. 4 fish that I caught, little blood bubble or whatever it's called. All you fishermen, please correct me. Typically here in Minnesota, I've noticed the past few years, like spawning has been late May, early June. It is now mid-July and they are spawning at this lake. I have a feeling come August, guys, it's gonna be crazy, and I can't wait to bring you guys along with this. So we ended the day with about 9 fish, 9 or 10 fish, I think 9, and we caught that giant, as you guys seen, and my first standing bass. So I'm blessed. Sorry it took so long to actually, you know, figure it out for you guys. Hopefully next time I come to this lake, it'll be, you know, even better, and I know it will be. You know, I got some things I need to adjust on my rods, change some setups as far as chatterbait to a specific rod and reel. I got to do some homework, and I'm probably going to do that tomorrow, because I want to make sure come next tournament I'm not, you know, casting a chatterbait on a heavy power pole with a high-speed reel, which isn't going to work really well. And so anyways, guys, make sure though you are subscribed to the channel, turn on notifications, because we're gonna be dropping these videos like crazy. Leave a comment. I love it, and make sure you guys hit that like button, because it goes a long ways, and I appreciate it, and I love to know that you guys enjoy the content that I'm bringing to you. But anyways, we're gonna head out of here. Got everything loaded up. I appreciate you guys, love you guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. It's your boy Tim Bass. We out.